Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I have a whole pile of spreads I made for my patrons in June, so let's go ahead and check them out. So I have two levels on my Patreon. We have Team Bumble, who can give me ideas for custom spreads, and Team Wallace, who basically just fill out a survey and then I make a spread I think they'll like. So let's look at Team Bumble first. They are the custom spreads. Megan asked for a spread for July 17th through the 23rd. She said I could do whatever I want. She uses a classic happy planner. I use stickers from the new Wrong Wrong Peace, Love, and Happiness sticker book. It's such a cute sticker book. If you didn't see that video, you can check that out. This was a YouTube video. But I thought this was fun and retro, and I call it Flower Power. Next, I have a spread for Gianna. Gianna asked for a sunny mini spread using that new sticker book from the Happy Planner, and I love this so much. I think it's so cute. Did I name this? Oh yeah, I named it Minnie's Summer, and all the stickers came from that sticker book combined with boxes from Wrong Wrong rainbow boxes. I love this so much. It's so cheery and fun, isn't it? I just think it's so cute. I love the minis in the middle, so I hope Gianna likes it too. By the way, I'm going to link all the products that I used for each of these spreads if I have time. So I'd appreciate it if you use my links if you get inspired by something you see here. If I don't have time, it will just be general links. Always appreciate when you use that. And the codes for discounts will also be in the description. Next up, we have a spread for Alex. This is for July 24th through the 30th. Alex is going to Vegas on the 27th, so I created this cute little Vegas spread. I used the new Live Love Posh Beach Babe sticker book for the palm trees, but then I also got a pack of stickers from Michaels. It's a recollections pack that was focused on Vegas. So I really think this is super cute and fun. I like the color combo with the addition of like this mint green thrown in. And I call it Vegas Vacation. This last Team Bumble spread is for Cindy. And by the way, if you've noticed that my Team Bumble members have decreased, that's because I purposely keep them low. Both Team Bumble and Team Wallace are full right now. If you want a chance to get in one of these tiers, basically your best bet is to join my Patreon at a low level. It can start at $5, which you get tons of stuff too. I mean, it's not just custom spreads. We have like live streams and Facebook group and behind the scenes stuff and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so your best bet is to do that, because then I let them know ahead of time that if I know. If a patron tells me they're leaving, I will let my patrons know first so that they can snag it right away. I think it's only fair because a lot of them have been waiting a long time and they've been a Patreon member. So that's just something to consider if you're interested in maybe snagging a spot in one of these two top tiers. Okay, so this one's called Barbecue Party. This is for Cindy. Cindy asked for a spread for any week, and she asked, you know, she said I could do anything. So I used stickers from Happy Seasons, and I think this is so cute. It's a little barbecue theme, and I love like this little path along the middle there. I don't know, I just think it's kind of fun and summery, and I hope Cindy likes it too. All right, let's look at Team Wallace spreads now. First, I'll do classic vertical. So this one is for Gretchen. Gretchen is a new Team Wallace member, and I know that Gretchen likes bright colors, so I decided to make something bright and cheerful for her first spread. And I love this one. I added some paper for sand. These are stickers from, oh my gosh, I can't remember. Yeah, Essential Seasons. So that's a really fun sticker book. It's this one, and it has all of the different seasons in it. And I keep forgetting to use the summer one. I've never used stickers from there before. Some of these boxes are also from probably one of the Kellofaplan box sticker books, but I think this one's really cute. I struggled a little with the colors here. There's a lot of colors involved, so balancing it was a little tricky, but I think I did a good job. Oh, by the way, if you've been watching these videos for a while, you will know that I have a theme going each month that ties all of these spreads together. I asked you guys for suggestions for future themes, so this suggestion was from Sharon McAllister. She said, why don't you do an emoji? And I thought that was a really good idea, so There's going to be an emoji on every single one of these spreads, and I forgot to show you. I'll show you the other ones again at the end, but you guys get to find it. That's our game today. I feel like a kindergarten teacher, but I like to play games. So you guys get to find it in each spread. Now, they're not always going to be a smiley face, but all of them come from this sticker book, the emoji sticker book. So you see how there's like sparkles and hearts and stuff too, but this is what they look like. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you're looking for the special emoji sticker. And obviously this one is there. You probably saw that already, but I tried to use a face whenever possible. I know, ridiculous. Let's move on. By the way, that one was called Paradise Beach. This next one is for my patron, Ellen. Do you recognize these stickers? They came from a really old accessory pack from the Happy Planner. I forget what it's called, but these are so fun, don't you think? I don't know. I really like it anyway, with the little confetti and the unicorn. And I decided to sort of make it like this, you know, just for something different. I call it Super Fun Week. And I'm sure you can find the emoji in this one. I'm not going to give you hints anymore. This next one's for Kelly, and these are stickers from the older Spoonful of Faith sticker book. I love that sticker book so much, and this feels really peaceful and nice. I sort of wanted to make a bold statement with some washi tape, so I did that, and then balanced it out with these. Do you see what I mean? I call it I Am Destined for Great Things, and I hope she likes it. This next one has stickers from Kellofaplan's Planning a Life I Love Volume 2 sticker book, and this is for Lara. I really like that sticker book because it's all about planners and planning, and you know, when you're planners and you're putting stickers in your planner, it's nice to have stickers about your hobby, right? So this was really a fun spread for me, and I love pink and black together, so I think this works, especially with that little pop of gold. This one I decided to call For the Love of Planning, and I really hope Lara likes it. I think it's really, really cute. For this next one, I used the new sticker book Fun Fleurs that just came out from the back to school release from Happy Planner. And this was a little bit different for sure, right? We have these flowers. I decided to put them across here with this washi that I got from a big pack on Amazon. If you saw my most recent Amazon haul, you can see that pack. I really like it. And this was in there, and so was that. But I think it all flows. I know this is kind of weird, but it's kind of funky, right? So I like it. I call it Flower Stacks. I couldn't think of a better name. I think it's kind of a cool spread. Okay, so I have different fingernails because I forgot to show you one of the spreads as I was filming. This one is for Ellen. I love this one. I combined Chic Summer by Live Love Posh for these florals, and then I put a whole bunch of pets in there. I used the Modern Meow sticker book combined with the colorful dogs, and I think it's a cool color combo with the darks and the lights of the yellow, and I think it just works. So anyway, I call this Pets Among the Flowers. I hope Ellen likes it. Like I said, I think this one's really cute. So my patron Bev really likes junk journaling, so I made her a spread with the new junk journaling pack I also got from that latest Amazon video, you know, because I just wanted to give her something like that. I decided to draw boxes because I really could not find boxes in the color that I was looking for. So I know that this blue is a little bit bright, so I wasn't truly happy with the color, but I think overall, since it's balanced on either side, it works. Bev always needs a meal section on the sidebar, so I always give her that. I call it S for Stotts because that's her last name, and I just think it was kind of funny because there's an S there. I don't know. Anyway, I really like the spread. I hope she does too. I think that's it for classic vertical. Let's move on to the classic dashboard ones. My patron Shannon does embroidery stitching for a hobby, so I decided to go into the Happy Sewing sticker book and, you know, make it about her hobby. I don't know much about embroidery or anything. I know some of this does not apply, but I think it's a really cute spread. And I just love the Happy Sewing sticker books because they're very like soothing looking, because like the colors together are just really cute, I think. Anyway, I call it So Busy, you know, a little pun for Shannon. This next one, I combined the stickers from Retro Babe, the new Live Love Posh sticker book, and Happy in Action, one of the older, kind of more obscure Happy Planner sticker books, but I really like that one. That's where I got like these diamonds and this and this. I think it's a really cute color combo. And this one was a little bit tricky for me to balance everything, but I think it worked out good. And I call it, oh, this one's for Donna, and I call it Retro Happiness. I really like this. I just said that, I know. Anyway, I do. Speaking of spreads I like, this one is also using the new Retro Babe sticker book. This is for my patron Bobby, and I call it What a Rad Week. It's definitely like an early 80s kind of theme, and I'm all for it. Like, I remember these, and the boom boxes, and the Rubik's Cubes, and the Walkman. Like, this brings back a lot of memories for me. And I love the color combo. I think it's super cute, and just a really fun, you know, combo. I know this is Happy Planner brand washi, but I don't remember the pack that came in. It's an older pack. You probably can't buy it anymore, but I'm sure you could find something similar. Okay, I have one classic horizontal spread, and this one's for Marisol. So Marisol uses a big Happy Planner, like a vertical, and she uses a classic horizontal. So once in a while, I will make a horizontal for her. This is actually a video that's coming up, or I might have posted it already, but I think probably not. I call it Inspiring Story, and I combined stickers from Love for Letters, the older sticker book, and is it called Life is Sweet? No, it's called Fresh Bouquet, one of the newer sticker books, and I thought the colors really matched together very well, and I was really pleased with this. This was a little bit of a struggle, but yeah, it turned out, I think, really, really cute. The color combo is super appealing for me, so I hope Marisol likes it as well. Now we have two big Happy Planner spreads. This one is for Denise. Denise likes really fun, whimsical spreads. I gave her this one, and I wrote a note to her telling her that I have to confess that last month, my theme for all of these spreads was recreating my old spreads. And this was one that I had done, and I forgot that I did, and I had an extra one. But it felt like Denise, it felt like something she would like, so I decided to go ahead and use it for her this month. So she got two recreated spreads. This was one of my favorite spreads that I did that year. I forget what year it was, but I just like the way it flows. It's the colors, and I used the All the Feels sticker book, which is one of my favorites. Did I use another? I didn't write down what else I used, but I think that's the only sticker book probably that I used. Anyway, I hope Denise likes it. I think she will, because it's a cute one, and I call it Feel the Feels. Okay, the last spread I have to show you is for Ashley. This one is a big Happy Planner spread. I brought in some polka dot paper, which I thought was really cool. It kind of goes, because it's like black and white, and we have some blacks in here. This one, I did not write down the sticker books, but I think I used Bold and Bright, probably. I think it's that one. Or Bright Type. Oh my gosh. Now they're starting to like all flow in my mind, and it's starting to get very difficult to remember the exact names of sticker books. For a while, I knew them all. Are you starting to have that problem? Like, maybe it was Bright Type. I kind of get those two confused because they have Bright in the title. But anyway, really love this. I like this section here, and I kind of put washi tape over it like I was taping that to the page, even though, of course, we know that I wasn't. And then I put a little bit of that washi over there and here to make it sort of fun and matchy from this side. So hope Ashley likes it. And yeah, I really like it. Okay, so that's everyone. Now I'm going to show them to you. Oh, I call that Pretty Positive. So leave a note in the comments. Tell me what your favorite one was. Pretty Positive, Feel the Feels, Inspiring Story, What a Rad Week, Retro Happiness, So Busy, Pets Among the Flowers, S for Stotts, Flower Stacks, For the Love of Planning, I Am Destined for Great Things, Super Fun Week, Paradise Beach, Flower Power, BBQ Party, Vegas Vacation, and Minnie's summer. If you can't decide on one, you can leave 3 in the comments, or as many as you want. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my Patreon. The link is in all of my videos. And that's all I have for you today. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.